Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John. We're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And the company Schwer sent me these awesome gloves, and I've been testing them out all day to make sure they're actually as good as they say they are. I'll go ahead and give you a spoiler warning. They will work as hard as you. They are rugged, tough. You can use your touchscreen phone with them. They have like an anti-cut material here on the palms, which comes in real handy when they're out here working. And so we're going to show you some footage of us just working with these gloves. This will be a short video, but just want to show off the Schwer LT 5619. These things are worth the money. So we've got the Schwer LT 5619. These are a large size. And we're going to be using these while we build this bridge today. They come kind of packaged like that. They're pretty well stuck together, but they've got this really cool, basically like anti-cut material. So, you know, it's very unlikely you'll get cut through this. Now, stab, I wouldn't try, but actually did try it with a knife and couldn't get through it. You can use your phone with this. So these are going to be some really great protection for us. So we'll be using these throughout today's video. Alright, so this is what they look like on. Now, I got the large size, so I got kind of fat hands, but I'm pretty short, and I probably should have got the mediums. They're just ever so slightly big. Not the fault of the company. That's mine. They asked me what size I wanted, but they still work good, since they're not as tight on my fingers. It does still work on the phone, but not quite as good. So, if you're 5'6", you probably need the medium gloves. Of course, everybody's going to say, well, I could have told you that. Alright, let's get started moving some boards around, and then we're gonna build this bridge. Alright, with these gloves, clearing this kind of stuff out is no big deal. You probably wouldn't want to do this barehanded. You're just making a trail to get to our little bridge here. But this stuff right here is hard on your hands. But with these gloves, it's nothing to it. They still want to kind of keep it off your arms because it will kind of irritate you. But with these gloves, there's really nothing to it. Alright guys, we are done for the day, and the gloves outlasted us. We are calling it quits, but these gloves are still ready to go. Thank you, Schwer, for sending these out. We really did use them today, and they worked out great. Me and my son both used them. Didn't have any problems with them. They work great. I've been using my phone this whole time without taking these gloves off, which is really, really nice. We've picked up plenty of stuff that would have been pretty rough on our hands. Of course, the gloves helped quite a bit. I did pick up some barbed wire and pulled it. I didn't get any piercings. I wouldn't try to squeeze anything sharp. I don't know what the penetration rating is for this, but as far as the slicing, it's pretty good. Alright, thank you, Schwer, once again for sending these out to us. Thank you, everybody, for just watching a video about gloves. Maybe you're just wondering, are these any good? They're pretty good. And really don't cost that much either. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.